Now how to make juice of
Wait. Okay.
apple. To make juice, what you have to do is wood apple means it's very hard, like wood only. So you have to break it with the stone. I already broke it. What you do is take a spoon. This is about 4 glasses of water. One wood apple will you can get out of one wood apple 4 glasses of water you can make juice. What you do is when you open, you see this gum like, you don't worry. This also is it benefits your health, gum, and even the seed. You don't need to worry. Just scoop them like this. Scoop it and put it in the water like this. You can even eat like this. You can just scoop and eat. It's sweet. It is sweet. But when you make a juice, you have to add sugar for your taste.
Hey, wood apple niya asak mema. Chanin hemi hi kan chukia. Natin mi ang kanin hey asak lutuk ari fok the coconut apple sak zokin kasya. Chanin kanan tikia chan hemi tui hi nauli velenta chan aban tip ang khuam ta ha se kata khan da tur. Anya chan tihan kan lo sel se to ni lo en se ro. Tihan lo ta mo. Tihan. Amar chunita. Tana kumpo kalau mong chow.
You put powdered sugar, no? It melts faster. Instead of putting granule.
Icing sugar in
Yeah, icing sugar.
In thay ni may kana zau to kan boil to ka kan lo chili lichi ta kan bala ba mo kakal na karat to ka hey kan anti ram he dako